Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about this YAML. This is a very important in the DevOps concepts. Mostly use this YAML configurations in the DevOps concepts. So this YAML is nothing but this is not a programming language. This is not we cannot write in code any code here. Just we can implement the configurations thing of the applications. Okay. So, and also in this implement the some data we can write here, and we can include the some environment variables and configurations, ports and servers names. So like that we can write, we will write in this YAML files. So the main, so YAML is nothing but a and markup language, and markup language. So this is a AND markup language. So this is YAML is a human readable file format used to store the configurations and data. Okay. And also it is not used to write logic or any code. So it is only used to describe things only. And one more thing, why was YAML created? Earlier we have a different format like XML and JSON. So one application communicate with another application. In the previous, they use like XML and JSON to understand the applications and applications output. But those are nowadays those are the in the configurations way. Those are hard to read and to understand those configurations in that format like XML and JSON formats. So in this those in those in those files we have to write too many symbols like this. We have to maintain the one proper structure here. We have to follow like key value pairs here, uh, and also this is for XML. In this we'll write, we have wrote like this, but configurations that's a very complicated to implement in this way. But now it's a very simple in the configure in the YAML way. In this we don't write these many configurations like we don't want to maintain the one proper structure like we don't use this square brackets and also one particular formats. And also this is these JSON and XMLs not left friendly for human. And also, yeah, now why YAML was created to be easy to read and also easy to write, easy to understand. And one more thing, what is YAML used for? Yeah, previously I told you this is for only for configurations files used to store the settings for applications. For example, server configurations, data settings, environment variables, like that we are using right now nowadays. So in the DevOps concepts, just in the DevOps engineers, they mostly use these configurations files to implement these configurations between the applications. And in mostly YAML is heavily used in Dockers, Kubernetes, GitHub Actions, Jenkins, and Ansibles. Like that, these DevOps engineers use it in these technologies, and also mostly CI/CD pipelines. Why this YAML? Yeah, in these CI/CD pipelines, it describes what to build, what to test, and what to deploy. In the real time example, just think like imagine you are giving the instructions to a machine. So this YAML is nothing but a, we are giving the instructions to the process, process the application, what to build, what to do, what to test, and what to deploy. Like that, we are providing the instructions to the process. Okay, the machine cannot understand English paragraphs. Okay, machine understand the structured instructions only. So just if we say like do this deployment, so if you say like this, then machine will do like that. Whatever you say, nothing. So you have to give this some instructions. Then only it will do the actions. Like that, machine understand the structured instructions only. So those structured instructions we can implement with the help of the YAML files. Okay, the basic syntax in the basic way, like we can write like this, like name. In this YAML, most important thing is indentation. So this is very important in this YAML. We should follow this indentation. Uh, like after this, we should this YAML also follows the key value pairs, name and value. It's like a key, and we should initialize the one particular value for this particular key. That is the main thing in this YAML we should follow here. Okay, in this we have a different rules and regulations are there. So like in the programming language, we should maintain the one particular syntax to write the code. In this way also YAML, to write for this configurations, we should maintain this some instructions here. Like in the programming languages, also we have some list type of data is there. In this YAML also, we it will follow some l- syntax level for that. Like in the programming language, we write arrays. In this YAML, we write arrays. Will write like this. Okay, like in the square brackets, we will write values here. But in the YAML, how we will write, like let's take example like skills as a one key. In this we have to write like this. So this is the YAML list level syntax. Okay, in the normal way, in the normal programming language, what we will do, like in the array we will write like this: Java, Python. In the same way, this same syntax is this one in the YAML way. Okay, this is the other programming language. This is the YAML syntax. Okay, and after the object, the main thing is object. In the programming language or other languages, yeah, how we will deploy, how we will implement this object. So this is object also key value pairs. Just we can write like this: one name and its respective property value, like this. Okay, in the previous level, in the main object syntax is this one. So we should maintain these brackets. After this, we have to write one key and a respective value, like this. We should follow this type of syntax. In the YAML, how we will implement that? Like we can implement like this. Like let's take employee, employee. After that, yeah, after this, sorry, let's take one example here. Yes, yeah. This is list of objects. So in the normal way, what we will do, sorry, mm, in the array, we have different types of objects, like multiple objects like this. We can implement like this. In the same way, in the list, we have a different objects. In that same way, in the YAML syntax, this is the YAML syntax. So this is the one object and this is the another object. The elements are divided by this one, this arrow. Okay. Yeah, these are the main things the YAML will follow, like like a language, like a programming language. In this way, we can write the configurations of the applications. Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you understood the basics of the YAML. Yeah. If you want more in the advanced concepts of the YAML, please comment it below. I will create another video for that. Yeah. Thank you.